Hello everyone, welcome back once again. I hope you all are fine. In this video, we are going to discuss the use of will and shall. Can we start? Okay. The verbs will and shall are used with the root verb to indicate an action in the future tense. जो आने वाला समय होता है उसके साथ हम will and shall का यूज करते हैं. Let's see few examples. I will eat anything. I'm not picky at all. I'll have a cup of coffee. Thanks. I know she'll go to Nagpur with me. Will and shall is used to indicate an action that is yet to take place. जो एक्शन अभी होने की है. The verbs will and shall are used with the root verb to indicate an action in future tense. So what are the root verbs? Play, dance, walk, talk. These are the root verbs. So with them we use will and shall. Let's see few examples. Lavanya will buy a new dress for the party. With I and we, the word shall is generally used. हमें बहुत confusion होता है where to use will and where to use shall. Shall हम किसके साथ use कर सकते हैं? So we can use shall with I and we. I shall fly to Mumbai tomorrow. We shall go for a picnic very soon. To express what we think or will happen in future. Meaning, जो हम सोच रहे हैं और future में होने वाला है. Let's see example. You will succeed in your mission. To describe things that will happen as a regular or as a habitual thing. Let's see example. The maid will come in the evening. To describe the result of some action. किसी action का result बताने का काम भी will और shall करते हैं. Let's see example. If you are not conscious while playing basketball, you will hurt your knee. Next, to talk about some definite action expected to take place in future. The school will reopen very soon. Will is used when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. Will का use हम बात करते वक्त कोई decision लेने के लिए भी करते हैं. I will bring some water for you. Let's see some types of sentences with will and shall. Positive sentence, we will write subject plus will or shall plus V1 means verbs first form plus object. Let's see examples. We will look after your pet well. I'll miss her after she leaves. Shrutik will be back for dinner. Negative sentences, we use not after shall and will. Examples. I shall not meet you here. They will not go on a pilgrimage. I'll not be present today. We will not join yoga classes. Short form of shall not, shan't or will not, won't may be used. Yes or no questions. In interrogative sentences, we write will or shall at the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then root form of the verb, and then object. Let's see few sentences. Will she water the plants? Shall I water the plants? Shall we carry her bag? Will they come over for dinner? Policeman will arrest the criminals. I shall draw this diagram in my practical notebook. Remember, we use shall to express an action over which the speaker has no control. Yes, यहाँ पे बहुत confusion होता है, right? शॉल हम ऐसे सेंटेंस के साथ यूज करते हैं जहां पे स्पीकर का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता है. दैट मीन्स ही इज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट वेदर द थिंग विल हैपन और नॉट. आई शॉल गेट टायर्ड आफ्टर दिस लॉन्ग वॉक. आई शॉल गेट स्लीपी अराउंड 10 PM. आई विल गो टू द सिनेमा टुनाइट. He will play tennis tomorrow. She will be happy with her exam results. They will take the bus to the south next week. You look tired. I'll finish the dishes for you. I'll do my best to help you. If you say anything, I will kill you. I'll have it ready by tomorrow. I'll drive you to work if you want. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. Won't, will not. Here you can see the contractions. It is possible to use contractions in both positive and negative sentences. With positive contractions, will becomes ill and is joined to the subject. I will, you have to pronounce it as I'll. You will, you'll. He will, he'll. She will, she'll. It will, it'll. We will, will. You will, you'll. They will, they'll. With negative contractions, will not becomes won't. I won't, you won't, he won't, she won't, it won't, we won't, you won't, and they won't. To form a question using will, we reverse the order of the subject and will. Let's see the uses of it. Will they win the cup? Yes, they will. No, they won't. Will you tell him the truth? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Will she get angry? Yes, she will. No, she won't. I hope you understood the use of will and shall. Now I want you all to do one thing. Write your future plans with the help of will and shall. And you can discuss it with me. Okay? Till then, bye-bye. Take care. See you in the next video. And thanks for your love and support. Bye-bye.